Good morning, children. Welcome to General Knowledge class. Today we are going to start with the 13th chapter, Potluck. India is a land of varied cuisines, with each region known for its unique dishes. The first picture is Puttu Kadala. As you all know, Puttu Kadala is a typical breakfast dish of Kerala. The puttu is made from rice flour and coconut. It is steamed in a special mold and eaten with kadala or black chana curry. You all like puttu kadala, isn't it, children? Okay, now the second one is dal bati kurma. It is a Rajasthani dish and it comprises lentils, bati, a kind of hard puri, and kurma, which is crushed wheat cooked with ghee and sugar. Now the third one is bamboo shoot fry. It is a traditional dish of many states across northeast India. It is made from bamboo shoots. The hard exterior of the bamboo is scaled off and the tender portion is cooked with fenugreek seeds and red chilies. Now the last one is dansak. It is a popular Parsi dish and it consists of meat, vegetables, lentils and spices. It usually forms a part of Sunday meals owing to its elaborate preparation. Now match the following popular dishes to the regions they are from. First one, dalma. Dalma is from Odisha. Mark it, Odisha. Second one, katkate. It is from Goa. It is from Goa. Third one, sukto. It is from West Bengal. West Bengal. Fourth one, litti choka. It is from Bihar and Jharkhand. Bihar and Jharkhand. Fifth one, misal pav. It is from Maharashtra. Maharashtra. Fifth one, Maharashtra. Sixth one, undiyu. It is from Gujarat. Gujarat. Sixth one, Gujarat. Seventh one, gushtaba. It is from Jammu and Kashmir. Gushtaba is from Jammu and Kashmir. Now we move on to the 14th chapter, sobriquets. Many places have earned special names for themselves. Identify the city or country from the sobriquets given here. First one, Land of the Golden Fleece. Australia. The answer is Australia, which is the land of golden fleece, Australia. Next one, Garden City of India. Which is the garden city of India? Bengaluru. Right there, Bengaluru. Third one, Land of 1,000 Lakes. It is Finland. Right there, Finland. Fourth one, Land of White Elephants. The answer is Thailand. Fourth one, Thailand. Fifth one, Island of Pearls. Which is the Island of Pearls? Bahrain. Island of Pearls, Bahrain. Sixth one, Windy City. Which city is known as Windy City? Chicago. Windy City, Chicago. Seventh one, Gift of the Nile. Gift of the Nile is Egypt. Gift of the Nile is Egypt. Eighth one, Eternal City. Which is the Eternal City? Rome. Right there, Rome. Next one, Playground of Europe. It is Switzerland. Playground of Europe. It is Switzerland. Last one, City of the Golden Gate. It is San Francisco. City of the Golden Gate. It is San Francisco. Hope you all have completed the exercise. Now we will move on to the next chapter. That is chapter 15, synonyms and antonyms. What does synonyms mean? Synonyms means words with a similar meaning. And what do you mean by antonyms? It means words with opposite meaning. First section, take the correct word from among those in the brackets that conveys the same feelings expressed in the underlined words in each of these sentences. First one, I was very happy when I received a beautiful watch as a gift. The options given are glad, peaceful, overjoyed, cheerful. Very happy means overjoyed. Put tick below overjoyed. Now find out another word that means the same thing. It is an 8-letter word beginning with E and ending with a C. Can you give me the answer, children? Yes, it is ecstatic. E-C-S-T-A-T-I-C. Ecstatic. Now second question. She walked slowly down the garden path. The options given are tripped, strolled, went, stumbled. Which word from the bracket conveys the same meaning for walked slowly? It is strolled. Put tick below strolled. Find out another word that means the same thing, has 6 letters, begins with A and ends with D. Can you guess, children, what is the answer? It is ambled. A-M-B-L-E-D. Ambled. Third one, the man was extremely surprised to see the police. The options given are frightened, stunned, relieved, astounded. You have to find the word that conveys the same feeling for extremely surprised. The answer is astounded. Put tick below astounded. Find out another word that means the same thing, has 13 letters, begins with F and ends with D. The answer is flabbergasted. Write down flabbergasted. Flabbergasted. Now, fourth one. The rat ran quickly into the hole. In brackets, scurried, jumped, disappeared, slid. The answer is scurried. Put tick below scurried. Now find out another word that means the same thing, has 9 letters, begins with S and ends with D. Can anyone say the answer? It is scampered. S-C-A-M-P-E-R-E-D. Now we move on to the section B. Circle the word from those given in the brackets that conveys the opposite meaning of the word underlined in each of the sentences below. First one, the man praised his employee. The man praised his employee. In brackets, lauded, criticized, scolded, congratulated. The answer is criticized. Opposite of praised, criticized. Second one, Ravi gave Meenakshi a hostile glance. Bracket, friendly, cold, sharp, cruel. Opposite meaning of hostile is friendly. Now third one, my sister walked boldly onto the stage. The words given in the brackets are confidently, timidly, bravely, slowly. The answer is timidly. Now last one, as the minister delivered his speech, there was uproar in the assembly. The options are commotion, silence, pandemonium, furore. The answer is silence. With this, we are coming to the end of today's class. Thank you, children.